Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor review. So, you might be wondering, what is the Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor that you're seeing or hearing online? So, the Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor is a handheld skincare device designed to combine LED light therapy, EMS, or electrical muscle stimulation, heat therapy, and vibration massage into one at-home facial treatment. Now, according to the official website here, it's intended to help improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, puffiness, and skin firmness, while also enhancing the absorption of skincare products. Now, the device is cordless, rechargeable, and designed for short daily sessions at home. Now, one of the main features of the device is its 7 LED light modes, with each color intended to target different skin care concerns. Now, for example, red light here is described as supporting collagen production and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Blue light is intended for blemish-prone skin. Green light is designed to help improve the appearance of uneven skin tone and dark spots. In addition to the LED modes here, the device includes EMS mode to provide low-level electrical stimulation for facial muscles, heat mode to warm the skin, and clean mode along with the adjustable vibration levels. Now, the company recommends using the device around 5 to 10 minutes per session, about 5 to 7 times a week or per week. Now, using the device is straightforward here. So you want to begin by cleansing your face and applying a lightweight serum or moisturizer. Now, turn on the device by holding the power button for a few seconds, then select the preferred LED color and treatment mode. Now, gently glide the device across your face and neck using upward motion, similar to using a gua sha tool. Continue massaging each section here of your face for several minutes before turning the device off and cleaning the treatment head after use. Now, the manufacturer recommends using the device consistently as part of your regular skincare routine. Now, the official website currently lists Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor for approximately £39.99, reduced from the original £114.26, although pricing may vary during promotions or depending on your region. Now, package includes the facial sculptor, a USB charging cable, a user manual, and the company also advertises a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, according to Lux Cove here, many users begin noticing improvements in skin firmness and overall radiance within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use, with more noticeable changes after 6 to 8 weeks. Now, the company also references an internal claims validation study involving 60 participants over 30 days, although detailed independent clinical data here for the complete device isn't published on the product page. But yeah, so if you do have any ongoing issues on your skin or any underlying health issues, well, in this case, consulting your doctor first or your dermatologist is the best way to go here. But if you do have any questions regarding the product, you could go to their official website and reach out to them via their contact us page or read more about the product via their FAQ section at the very bottom here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.